Hi! It's really challenging nowadays to find the best products. It would be awesome if you can find a reliable source to know which products are the best. That's why we came here to help you to choose the best product that can bring the best output that you're looking for. In this video, we have listed the top 5 best products. After much research, I found these products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video.
Finding the best product that fits your budget can be a challenge, however. There are many products available to choose from, each with different characteristics, benefits, and prices. To help you make an informed decision, we did extensive research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best expandable garden hose from reputable brands. So let's get started. Number 1. Flexi hose with 8-function nozzle lightweight expandable garden hose. This lightweight, expandable garden hose comes with a multi-setting spray nozzle and drains quickly for easy transport. The lifetime warranty means that you can't go wrong. This is the hose I use in my garden, and I just ordered another one. Having tried several expandable hoses throughout the years, this is the one that has lasted the longest, with the best trade-off between being both lightweight and sturdy. It's all about the thick latex core and solid brass connectors. The model I linked to is 50 feet, but there is also a 75-foot version, which is ample for almost any use. It comes with a multi-setting spray nozzle, which is high quality. The hose drains quickly and shrinks down to make it incredibly easy to transport. No more struggling to coil up rubber that just doesn't want to go the right direction. The key to the whole thing is the lifetime replacement guarantee. The company has a solid reputation, and the hose is widely regarded as one of the best expandable hoses available. Positive side of this product: expands by 3x from 17 feet to 50 feet. Warranty, lifetime guarantee. No leak design. Excellent brand reputation. Negative side of this product: durability will never match a regular hose. Number 2. TBI Expandable Garden Hose Kit. This budget-friendly hose is durable and lightweight, but it includes neither a nozzle nor a good warranty. The hose is made of 4 durable layers of latex, and therefore the unit is extra long-lasting compared to similar expandable hoses. This particular unit begins at approximately 17 feet long, and expands up to 50 feet in overall length when water is flowing through it. This product includes an anti-leak system made of high-end connector protectors that makes sure you waste zero water. There is also a high-quality brass shut-off valve included. Further, this hose never kinks or twists while using it. Likewise, it is practically tangle-proof. Unless your 5-year-old is the one watering the garden, then all bets are off. A storage bag and hose hanger also come with this purchase. However, there is no sprayer included, as with some of our other top picks on this list. But it is still a great choice regardless. Chances are you already have a favorite spray nozzle anyway. Positive side of this product: easy to expandable as well as store. Good all-around yard use. Strong exterior covering. Well-rated customer service. Warranty: limited manufacturer warranty. Negative side of this product: may snag on rocky surfaces. Should not be stored in direct sunlight. Number 3. Adirot 75 feet expandable garden hose. While this hose takes a little longer to expand or extract, it does offer an extra durable build, and it comes with a superior nozzle. The Adirot expandable garden hose is another model that begins at 25 feet in length and stretches up to 75 feet long when in use. This one takes a few minutes to contract back to its regular size after the water stops flowing. Also, you will need to create a good bit of water pressure to get the hose expanded to its fullest length possible as well. That said, this hose is still a great choice, even though it takes a bit longer to contract and only hits its maximum size when the water is blasting through the hose at full capacity. It comes with a 9-function spray nozzle, which is better than the one that comes with many of the other hoses on our list, if they even come with one at all. Positive side of this product: easy to roll up and store. Good all-around yard use. High-pressure spray nozzle with 9 settings. Negative side of this product: snags easily on concrete. Number 4. Life Flexible and Expandable Garden Hose. This expandable garden hose comes in 4 different sizes and includes a nozzle. When not in use, it contracts to as little as 9 feet in length, making it super easy to store. This hose is one of the easier to use on our list, and easiest to store as well, due to its 9 feet length. That said, it may not be the best choice for folks who have a giant yard or garden, though you could buy one of the larger and slightly more expensive versions of this product. Positive side of this product: extra flexible. Comes with extra washers and accessories. Leak-proof hose fittings. Negative side of this product: should avoid storing in direct sunlight. Water may need to be all the way 1 to reach an optimal length. Number 5. Grosgrain Expandable Garden Hose with High Pressure Hose Spray Nozzle. This extra lightweight expandable hose never kinks, it includes a nozzle, and the lifetime warranty proves that the manufacturer believes in the quality of their product. The third item on our list of top picks is the Grosgrain garden hose. This product is super space efficient, easily stored, and stretches up to 3 times its regular size when water is flowing through it. One of our favorite aspects of this hose is that it never twists or kinks. This hose definitely makes watering the garden and flowers a whole lot easier. Another great benefit of this particular expandable hose is that it comes with a spray nozzle. Even more, the nozzle is high quality and includes 8 diverse patterns. The purchase even includes all the brass connectors needed to hook it up and get to work immediately. The connectors are not cheap either. They are long-lasting thanks to their corrosion-resistant materials. The hose itself is also high-end, consisting of high-pressure resistant latex that lasts for years and years. That said, the hose is designed to work with water pressure levels of 43.53 to 6 bar to 145 psi 10 bar. All in all, the hose is suitable for anything you could possibly need one for. Even more, it comes with a lifetime warranty from the manufacturer as well. Positive side of this product comes with a high-pressure spray nozzle. Comes with extra washers and accessories. Warranty, lifetime manufacturer warranty. Easy to combine with additional hoses. Superior water pressure. Negative side of this product, not the best pick for commercial use. Length may be slightly less than 50 feet, expanded. That's all from my end. I make helpful video daily, so do subscribe my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information, or if you want to know product price, please do check my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below, so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy every bit of your life with our cool products, as it's going to make your life much easier. Thanks for watching, have a great day.